My name is Julia Strauskienė. I work in Lithuanian Rehabilitational Vocational Training Center. It's school for the students with learning disabilities. I had learned here how to participate in video bridging, and also one of topics here was how to create community, because it's so easy nowadays. You just put ad and you create new community, but it's not enough, because when you created it, you also need to build up this community. You need to do such things that people feel that they are useful, that they can learn easily, and it's a real art to do such community. And Franz Nagrada, who gathered us here, is a real artist. I think it's my opinion, because we learned here extremely many, and we together achieved very many new knowledge, and also I hope we will learn today more. And I really appreciate each bit of knowledge which we have here, and I guess I will able to implement this knowledge in our school, because I am project manager. We run many projects in our school, and just after 1 month here will be an international meeting in our school in the field of vocational education. It's a topic of this international conference, and I hope that it will be possible. I asked Franz Nagrada to present to our partners, to participants of this international conference, the topic of our video bridging seminar, and I hope it will be also very useful for partners. And one more dream that we were speaking about a new project in the field of Grundtvig workshop on the same topic, that it will be possibility to apply for new Grundtvig project, and I hope that my school will be able to participate in this new project exactly about video bridging. And it's, I hope, very useful for distance learning. So.